it's Dorothy Harrison from REMAX Hallmark. Thanks for joining me today. We are here at my newest listing. Welcome to number 1133, Unit 82, Ritson Road North in Oshawa. This fantastic 3-bedroom townhome has a completely finished basement, a beautiful private yard, and best of all, location is absolutely fantastic. I can't wait for you to see the entire tour. Let's head on inside and have a look. As I mentioned, the location of this home is absolutely magnificent. Not only are we close to schools, parks, but we are literally steps away from this fantastic plaza with fitness, Starbucks, medical, dental, grocery, banks, everything at your fingertips. If you'd like to book a private showing or have any additional questions, again, it's Dorothy Harrison from REMAX Hallmark. There's no place like home.